Okay, so the bird is stuck in there. There it is, see? So we're gonna try and get a towel over it. So that's our next move, is to try and get the towel over it. So I'm gonna let you go for a second. There. He flew away. He got out.
How do I get off?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh! Now what?
I don't know. It's stuck again. No, I can't open that window. I don't know how to get it out from there. Because I don't want to go that close. Yes. It won't come out.
Yes, got it. Yes.
It's trapped in that thing.
Get back here, bird. I need to get you. Open up the window.
Well, I can't without it attacking me. It'll peck me.
Yeah. I know what we can do. Can we let it out with the oar?
No, they're going to fly around the whole house. We got to throw it here. You do that. And I'll throw the towel on it. Hold on, but I got to pull the blind up first. Hold on.
No, they don't. Oh, gosh. Oh, yeah. I just yeah, get it. He's going to attack me.
Don't leave me in here by myself.
Okay, yeah. Okay, just let me do it. No! You're getting mad!
It's stuck behind there now. Somewhere. I can't see it. Where'd it go?
It's gonna fly out!
I don't know where it went. Over there. Somewhere. It's stuck.
We have to get out of here!
No.
No, yes we do. Eddie, you can't come in here, not yet. I can't come in here. The bird's gonna attack you. We can't walk down there. I can.
I know. Oh, that's a good idea, Tom. Here, you keep it away from me, and I'm gonna open the window.
Okay, go.
A great idea. I'm just dancing around. Okay, the window's open.